The machine can fill and seal tube fully automatically. It is suitable for cosmetic or pharmaceutical plastic or aluminum plastic tubes. The machine HX-009 can automatically feed tube into holder. Then turn the mark to the right orientation. Filling volume can be from 5 to 200 milliliters. It can be customized for other filling range. The ultrasonic sealing. The laser printer can print 2 lines of letters on tube surface. And the machine can trim and eject out the tubes automatically. Check out the final effect.